No, none. Luli. Jimi Hendrix. Probably a politician, sadly. What's the longest Mahler symphony? How about 3? I do have one pair of shoes I really like. They're camo shoes, black camo shoes. Probably Thomas Jefferson. Maybe the one during Raging Bull, the Cavalleria Rusticana Intermezzo. That's for a lot of reasons. Oh, it's the audience. The cook, the thief, his wife and her lover. Best ending ever. Well, Game of Thrones. Monopoly, for sure. I love Monopoly. Well, people would probably say Tobey Maguire, but I would not like that. Well, it depends on whom. Street food, probably. 2. Neither. Denim. Bourbon. Fried. With cream. Rare. They're sort of the same. Fallon. Dino air plants. I gave the whole staff. I bought the whole store out, 30 of them. All I can think of are opportunities I didn't have, but also didn't take. Like going to the space station. I can't think of anything I actually had. I've taken all of them. I've been happy.